Hello everyone, we are Group 34. Today I'd like to introduce our research on time series prediction based on large language models. Conditional time series models are built on an assumption that future trends can be inferred from historical patterns. Why is effective is stable environments, but these methods often fail when the real world suddenly changes. For example, during policy shifts, natural disasters, such external changes can cause irregular fluctuations that traditional models cannot easily capture. To address this limitation, we explored how textual data, such as news, can help. These data reflect the real-world events in real time and contain contextual and cultural information that pure numerical data lack of. Meanwhile, large language models have recently shown capabilities in semantic understanding and contextual reasoning. This inspired us to explore whether LLMs could be used to connect the external events with time series dynamics and thus improve prediction accuracy.
Some insight from prior research, we made an LLM-based framework for time series forecasting. The core idea is to use the LLM to convert textual information into semantic feature aligned with the time series data, enhancing the model's awareness of sudden or event-driven changes. First, we set up a text data source. And next, during information retrieval, we use API from GPT. By using prompt engineering, the model automatically filters and selects news relevant to the forecasting task based on user-defined logic. Then align time series and test data. And then we convert historical time series segments into text input. Append news data and set the target parent's time series value as text output. The mixed dataset is then used to fine-tune the local llama. After each round of prediction, the model analyzes forecasting error, identifies potentially missed events, and updates reasoning logic. This method allowed the model to continuously improve. It could learn from prediction errors and refining its reasoning strategy.
I am Wang Siran. Let me introduce the experiments and the results. Well, as you can see from the table, the results show that when properly filtered textual data are used, the performance of LLM significantly improves. This is the data supporting and rationality of our project. Then this is the prediction result from the data in the paper. The model successfully captured 3 major fluctuations that caused by external events in the time series. Then we trained the model by using our own dataset. You can see that the model is also able to detect abrupt variations in time series. In summary, our research shows that intergradient textual information using LLM in time series forecasting tasks is beneficial for predicting sudden events. And here is the current shortcoming and future directions, such as the method is only applicable in fields where human factors have large influence. Okay, thank you.